told the basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. Today, now I am going to example 1. What is example 1 asking? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC and AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5, comma AC equal to 5.6 centimeters. Find AE. Okay, students, what is given in this problem? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. After given that AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5. After that AC is equal to 5.6. Find AE. First I will draw a triangle ABC. This is named as triangle ABC. This is ABC. Given that triangle ABC, what is given in this one? Where DE is parallel to BC, that I will write. DE is parallel to BC. Okay, one side BC there. Here DE is parallel to BC means I will draw a line. This is named as D. After that, this is named as E. That means DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. We will observe in this triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC. Already in previous class, yesterday, I will told one theorem, that is what is given remaining, and also AD by DB, that becomes 3 by 5, comma AC is equal to 5.6 centimeters, and I have to find out AE is equal to question mark. Yesterday I will told basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. We will discuss that one. I will write by using Thales theorem. By using Thales theorem. The another name of Thales theorem is BPT. By using Thales theorem. What is meant by Thales theorem mean? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Once again I will explain. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, that is the distinct points will take D and E. Then remaining two sides are divided in the same ratio. Once again I will explain that one. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, this is the given triangle. A triangle ku BC ki parallel ga oka line gishna dani peru DE. Danni em cheppadante, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, ee triangle yokka one side BC ki parallel ga oka line తీసుకున్నా, that is named as DE. If a line if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then the remaining two sides, one side will be completed. After that, remaining two sides will take this one. Then remaining two sides are divided in two distinct points, then the two sides are divided in same ratio. This is the given statement of Thales theorem. That means then given two sides are divided into same ratio means that I will written as AD by DB, that needs to be written as AE by EC, that I will written as AD by DB is equal to what is given? AE by EC. By the above condition, one value is given, AD by DB, that must be equal to 3 by 5. AD by DB, we have to substitute 3 by 5 is equal to. Here, by the problem AC is given. By the problem AC is given. The distance between A and C will become 5.6 centimeters. The distance between A and C, that will become 5.6 centimeters. Finally, we have to find out AE is equal to question mark. AE is equal to question mark. That means, we'll observe, that means AE, we have to find out the value AE. We have to write the value of EC. We'll observe in this one. The total distance AC, that will be written as AE plus EC. That will be written as AE plus EC. Here, what we have to find out in this problem? We have to find out the value AE. Then this value converted into this side, that will be written as AC minus EC, that will be written as AE. Here we have to substitute in this value. I'm sorry, we have to write there value of EC. Here we have to write the value of EC. The denominator having EC, here EC, that we have to written as, where EC is equal to AC minus AE. We have to substitute EC with AC minus AE. But now I am going to next step, that is 3 by 5 is equal to AE by the above problem, we know that the value of AC here, where AC must be equal to 5.6 centimeters, that will be written as 5.6 minus AE. Here, by using the cross multiplication, that will be written as 3 into 5.6 minus AE is equal to 5 into AE. We have to multiply this one, 5.6 into 3, 3 6 18, again 3 5 15, 15 plus 1 must be 16, that will be written as 16.8 minus 3 into AE, that will become 3 AE is equal to 5 AE. After that, minus 3 AE will become this side, minus becomes the plus, that will be written as 16.8 is equal to 5 AE plus 3 AE. That means 5 AE plus 3 AE is equal to 8 AE. 16.8 is equal to 8 AE. After that, AE 16.8 by 8, that we have to written as AE. Here will become 8 2 8 1. Finally, the value of AE is must be 2.1 centimeters. This is asking in this given problem. Here we will observe. Here we have to replace with EC. Okay, students. Now I am going to next one. These type of problems asking in public examination for 2 marks question. Now I am going to next one. That is example 2. In the given figure, LM is parallel to AB. LM is parallel to AB, and also given some more points where AL is equal to x minus 3, comma AC is equal to 2x, BM is equal to x minus 2, and BC is equal to 2x plus 3. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Here, diagram given in this problem. This name it as B. This is C. This is A. After that, this will take. This is M. This is L. Here by the problem, LM is parallel to AB. Here, what is given in this problem? In triangle ABC, one condition is given, that is LM is parallel to AB. That means here the given LM is parallel to AB. And also given some values where AL is must be take x minus 3. After that, AC is equal to 2x. After that, BM is equal to x minus 2. Finally, BC is equal to 2x plus 3. We have to substitute in this values by the above figure. Here, the distance between A and L, that must be x minus 3. After we'll take the total distance between A and C is x minus 3. AL, AC. Here, the length of AC is 2x given. After that, the length of B and L will become x minus 2. After that, the length of B and C that must be take 2x plus 3. This is the given values by the above figure. But we will observe in this one, in triangle ABC, LM is parallel to AB here by using Thales theorem. By using Thales theorem. What we have to written by a Thales theorem means here we have to written as AL by LC. AL by LC is must be equal to, again that we have to written as BM by MC. BM by MC. What is the statement of a basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem? Here the another name of given one is BPT, basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, that is the distinct points must be take LM, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, that I will written as AL by LC, that must be equal to BM by MC. You will observe here the value of BM, there is no value of BC. Here also the value AL, there is no of LC. Here first we have to take the conditions. We will observe in this one, the total distance AC that we have to written as AC that we have to written as AL plus LC that we have to written. We know that the value of AC, where the AC, the distance between A and C is 2x. After that, the distance between A and L is x minus 3 plus LC. That is, plus value becomes that side, that will written as 2x minus x plus 3 will become LC. 2x minus x is equal to x, that is x plus 3 is equal to LC. You know that the value of LC, where the value of LC is x plus 3. After we have to find out another value also. What we have to find out in this one? The total distance BC that we have to written as BM plus MC we have to write. The total distance between B and C is 2x plus 3. That will be written as, where the distance BM must be take x minus 2 plus MC. This value becomes this side, that we have to written as 2x plus 3 minus x plus 2 will become MC. That means 2x minus x becomes x, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. That is the value of M. The distance between M and C will take x plus 5. Here all values are, we know, I have to substitute in this theorem. The distance between A and L will take x plus 3, x minus 3. After that, the distance between L and C that must be take x plus 3 is equal to, the distance between B and M is x minus 2. After that, M and C is x plus 5. Here by using the cross multiplication, that means x minus 3 into x plus 5, that will be written as x plus 3 into x minus 2. Okay, x into x, that will be written as x square. X into 5, that will be written as 5x. After that, we have to written as minus 3x plus into minus minus 3, 5 is 15 is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. We will observe x square and x square will be cancelled. Why? Because of both are same symbol. 5x minus 3x will become 2x minus 15 is equal to Minus 2x plus 3x is equal to x minus 6 plus x becomes this side. That will be written as 2x minus x is equal to minus 15 becomes that side. That is 15 minus 6. That is x become 9. Here we have to find out the value of x. Okay, students, now I am going to next to do this. I am going to next to do this. This has two problems. I will explain both of two problems. And the first one is what values of x will make DE is parallel to AB in the given figure. The values are given where AD is equal to 8x plus 9, CD is equal to x plus 3. After that, BE is equal to 3x plus 4. Finally, CE is equal to x. Here the given figure given. The name of given figure is, we'll take A, B, C. This is D. After that, this is E. Also, now I am going to second one. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, where AD is equal to x, DB is equal to x minus 2, AE is equal to x plus 2, and EC is equal to x minus 1. Find the value of x. This is the given figure. This is C, this is B. This will take the parallel line, name it as. This is E, this is D, this is A. Okay, students, we will observe in this one. What is given in this problem? In triangle ABC, what is given? DE is parallel to AB. One thing we will observe, When DE is parallel to AB means here by using Thales theorem. And also given ones are right, where AD is must be take 8x plus 9. The distance between A and D, that will take 8x plus 9. After we'll take C and D. CD is equal to x plus 3 will write. This is the length of x plus 3. After we'll write BE. BE is equal to 3x plus 4. This is the distance between BE, 3x plus 4. After that, CE, that must be take x. The distance between C and E is x. Here by using Thales theorem, What is Thales theorem? What by how to write in this one? CD by DA, CD by DA, that will be written as CE by EB, CE by EB. How to write in this one? CD by DA, that must be written as AD is equal to CE by EB, that must be written as CE. What about the length of CD? The distance between C and D is x plus 3 by A and D is 8x plus 9 is equal to C and E is x. After that, B and E is 3x plus 4. That means x plus 3 into 3x plus 4. Here by using the cross multiplication, we will get x into 8x plus 9. That means x into 3x, that will become 3x square, plus x into 4, that will be written as 4x. 3 into 3x, it must be 9x. 3 4 12 is equal to 8 into x square equal to 8x square. 9 into x is equal to 9x. That means 3x square plus 12x. 9 plus 4, so I am sorry, this is for 13x plus 12 is must be equal to 8x square plus 9x. This value becomes that side 8x square minus 3x square. After that, 9x minus 13x minus 12 will be equal to 0. That will be written as 5x square minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. We have to factorization in this one. 5 into minus 12. 5 into minus 12, that becomes minus 60. Their product will take minus 4. That will be written as minus 10 and plus 6. Plus into minus minus. 10 into 6 is equal to 60. Minus 10 plus 6 is equal to minus 4. That I will be written as 5x square minus 10x plus 6x minus 12 is equal to 0, where 5x is common, then remaining that way how to written as x minus 2. 5x into x is equal to 5x square, plus into minus minus, 5x into 2 will become 10x, where 6 is common, then remaining is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here both common term is x minus 2 into 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. That will be written as x minus 2 is equal to 0 or 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 6 by 5. That will be written as x is equal to 2 or minus 6 by 5. This we have to find out in this problem. Now I am going to second one. Here we will observe in this one. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel BC. DE is parallel BC. Otherwise, we'll take the length. AD is must be take x. After that, DB is x minus 2. After that, AE becomes x plus 2 and also EC is equal to x minus 1. We have to write the values where AD is equal to x, comma, DB is equal to x minus 2. After that, AE will become x plus 2 and EC will become x minus 1. Here by using in this type of triangle to intersect a parallel line, that means by using Thales theorem, what I have to write in this Thales theorem means AD by DB, that must be equal to AE by EC, where AD is equal to x. After that, DB is equal to x minus 2 is equal to AE is equal to x plus 2. After that, EC is equal to x minus 1. Here by using the cross multiplication, we will get x into x minus 1, that will become x minus 2 into x plus 2. X into x, x square minus 1 into x is equal to x. When it is of the form a minus b into a plus b, that I will written as a square minus b square. X square minus 2 square, that will become 4. Both x square and x square will be cancelled. Then remaining is minus x equal to minus 4. Minus and minus will be cancelled. And the value of x is equal to 4. This is asking the given problem. Okay, students, we will write in your notebook very neatly. This is the most important chapter in 10th class. This is the most important and most difficult chapter in 10th class. మీరు నీట్గా నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది నాన్న ఇంతవరకు జరిగిన దాంట్లో మీరు నీట్గా నేర్చుకోవాల్సినవి అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ సిమిలారిటీ అండ్ కాంగ్రుయెన్సీ విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ సిమిలారిటీ అండ్ కాంగ్రుయెన్సీ విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. And now I am going to next one. That one is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. The statement and the proof neat ga vachindali. This is the problems on basic proportionality theorem. After now I will explain the converse of basic proportionality theorem. This is also most important for 4 marks. Okay, students. Next, the most important theorem, that is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. This is most important for 4 marks. The converse of basic proportionality theorem. First, I will write their statement. What is their statement of the converse of basic proportionality theorem? If a line divides, if a line divides two sides of a triangle. If a line divides two sides of a triangle, I will take one triangle. This is the given triangle. This is the given triangle. Name it as A, B, C. What is given the statement? If a line divides two sides of a triangle, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, in the same ratio. Okay, how to divide it in the same ratio? That is, name it as, this is for D, this is for E. If a line divides two sides, if a line divides two sides, one side is AB, after the another side is AC. If a line divides, if a line divides two sides of a triangle, in the same ratio. Okay, ఇచ్చిన ట్రయాంగిల్ లో డిఈ అనేవి ఏబి ఏసి లైన్ ను సేమ్ రేషియోగా డివైడ్ చేసినాయి అంటారు. సేమ్ రేషియో. దెన్ ద లైన్ ఈస్ parallel to third side. Then the line is parallel to third side. Already DE is parallel BC, but what is given in this theorem? Then the line is parallel to third side. Already DE is parallel BC. We will take one more parallel line with DE. That will take. This is the given statement. If a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. Means that I will take one line. That is, name it as E dash. Will take. That is, name it as E dash. We will take the name is E dash. దీనికి ప్యారలల్ గా ఉంటుంది అని మనము చూపించాలి. This is the most important for 4 marks. What is given in this problem? I will write there given. What is given means where DE is parallel to BC. That I will write first. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC. Given line, that is DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. When DE is parallel to BC means here by using one theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. By using BPT. BPT meant by basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. What I have to write in this one means that will be written as AD by DB, that must be equal to AE by EC, here by using basic proportionality theorem. This is make equation number 1. Basic proportionality theorem. This is for equation 1. But what I have to prove in this one? Here to prove that if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. When the line is parallel to third side means given two sides are parallel. Ani prove cheyali. Given two sides are parallel means to prove that DE is parallel to BC. In triangle ABC will take this one. In triangle ABC will take this one. In triangle ABC will take this one. That is DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove these are parallel. Parallel means if it is parallel by using that symbol, when it is not parallel, does not using this symbol. I will take in triangle ABC. Let DE is parallel BC, then it is satisfies the given condition. To prove that DE is parallel to BC. After, now I am going to prove. What is their proof? Let us assume that here first I have to take, let us assume that DE is not parallel to BC. I will take this condition. Let us assume that DE is not parallel to BC. DE అనేది BC కి parallel గా లేదు అనుకొని your assumption is wrong అని final గా DE is parallel BC అని prove చేస్తే then the given theorem is proved. Let us assume that DE is not parallel to BC. DE is not parallel to BC. Then draw. Already we will draw. What is draw? D is extended with E dash. Then draw the line. What is the given line? DE dash. DE dash. Then the given line DE dash parallel to DE. What do I have to take in this one? Let us assume that DE is not parallel of BC. DE అనేది BC కి parallel గా లేదు అనుకుంటాను. అయితే దేనికి ఏది parallel గా ఉంది అని తీసుకుంటానంటే DE is parallel to DE dash అని తీసుకుంటాను. That means DE dash is parallel to DE. Here by using the BPT theorem, what I have to write in this one? Here by using the BPT theorem. Here by using, there is no need to take DE. We will take E dash. DE dash will take by using by using BPT. By using BPT, what I have to return? AD divides DB. AD divides DB. That is equal to, here what I have to take? DE is not parallel to BC. That does not I will take DE. Will take DE dash. That I will be written as AE dash by E dash C. What I have to write in this one means AD by DB is must be equal to, here we have to take in this one, AE dash by E dash C. Why? Because of DE dash is parallel to D. DE dash is parallel to D means that I will take AE dash by E dash C. This will take equation number 2. Observe. From 1 and 2 we have, from 1 and 2, then that implies we will observe. Here also AD by DB there. Here also AD by DB there. Both will be same. Both LHS are same. Then both RHS are also same. That will be written as AE by EC is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Here one step we will take, adding 1 on both sides. Adding 1 on both sides, we get, what I have to write in this one? AE by EC plus 1 is equal to AE dash by E dash C plus 1. How to multiply it by 1? That will be written as AE plus EC by EC is must be equal to AE dash plus E dash C by E dash C. We will observe in this given figure. We will observe in this given figure what we have to write in this one. Here, first I have to write AE plus EC. AE plus EC. AE plus EC, that is the total distance will written as AC we have to write. After that, again, the second one is AE dash plus E dash C. Again, we will observe in this figure AE dash plus E dash C. That also I have to written as AC. What I have to write in this one? AC by EC is equal to AC by E dash C. Both AC and AC will be cancelled. Then remaining is EC is must be equal to E dash C. I will write one statement. This is possible. This is possible only when E dash and E are coincide. We'll observe in this figure where EC is must be equal to E dash C, where EC is must be equal to E dash C. This is possible only for E dash and E are coincide. E dash and E are coincide. E dash or E are coincide means where DE dash that must be equal to DE. That will be written as where DE is must be equal to DE dash. Why? Because of where E dash and E are must be coincide means their distances will be equal. That will be written as DE dash must be equal to DE. That means but DE dash is parallel. DE dash is parallel to BC. When both are coincide means DE dash is also parallel with BC. When DE dash is parallel to BC means when DE is also parallel to BC. That I will write this one. But DE dash is parallel to BC, then that implies DE is parallel to BC. That way, how to written as finally, this is the proof of given theorem. DE is parallel to BC. Hence, the theorem is proved. How to write very neatly. This is the most important theorem for 4 marks. Okay, students, once again I will explain this theorem. This is the most important for 4 marks. What is the given theorem? The converse of basic proportionality theorem. The converse of basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides two sides of a triangle, this is the given line. This given line divides the two sides in a triangle in the same ratio, will be divided in the same ratio. Then the line is parallel to third side. And the line is parallel to third side. First I will take in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC by using the basic proportionality theorem. AD by DB, that must be written as AE by EC. Okay, then the given line is parallel to third side means here first I have to prove DE is parallel to BC. That's why I have to prove in this one. How I am going to prove? This is by basic proportionality theorem. Actually, this is parallel. DE is parallel BC. But the given theorem is the converse of basic proportionality theorem means first let us assume that DE is not parallel of BC. DE అనేది BC కి ప్యారలల్ గా లేదు అనుకుంటాడా. DE అనేది BC కి ప్యారలల్ గా లేదు అనుకుంటాడా కాబట్టి here one line is extended. Then draw the line DE dash is parallel to DE. DE dash is parallel to DE. That I will write by the basic proportionality theorem. AD by DB, that will be written as DE is not parallel to BC, that will be written as AE dash by E dash C. This is make 2, this is make 1. From 1 and 2 will get both LHS values are equal, then both RHS values are also equal. That will be written as AE by EC must be equal to AE dash by E dash C. Adding 1 on both sides, we get AE by EC plus 1 equal to AE dash by E dash C plus 1. Okay, here by using AE plus 1 into EC is equal to EC. Here we will observe AE plus EC must be AC. After that, AE dash plus E dash C, that must be take AC. Both will be cancelled. Both numerators are cancelled. Here numerator will become only 1. That means their denominators also will equal. That means EC must be equal to E dash C. This is possible only when E dash and E are coincident. E dash and E are coincident means, but DE dash is parallel to DE. Then finally, that way how to written as DE is parallel to BC. That way how to prove in this theorem. Students, listen carefully. ఇప్పుడు జరిగిన వరకు మీరు నీట్ గా నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ సిమిలారిటీ అండ్ కాంగ్రుయెన్సీ. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద బేసిక్ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ థియరమ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అండ్ ఆల్సో దేర్ ప్రూఫ్ అండ్ దేర్ రిలేటెడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ వన్ థింగ్ ఈస్ ద కాన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ బేసిక్ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ థియరమ్. These are most important. Okay, see you next class.